Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing works first try. Put AirPods in the case, open the lid, and press and hold the setup button until the LED pulses. This forces pairing mode. On your Android, turn Bluetooth on and enable location. Some Android versions require location to scan. Once done, keep the phone near the case, because Bluetooth range is short. This ensures the Android sees the AirPods immediately and reduces interference from other devices. Now you move into the connection step. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth, and tap Scan. When AirPods appear in the list, tap the name to initiate pairing. Android may show a confirmation dialog. Tap Pair. Make sure the Bluetooth profiles show media audio and call audio enabled so music and phone calls route correctly. If pairing completes, you'll see Connected next to the device. Once connected, test a short audio clip. To confirm playback and microphone routing, behave as expected. Finish by testing audio, microphone, and ear detection. Play music, place one bud in and out, and make a test call. If audio or mic doesn't work, go to Bluetooth settings, tap the gear icon, disable and re-enable media or call audio, or choose Forget Device and pair again. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears previous pairings and often fixes stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.